Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and creating a copy. This preserves the original while you experiment. Once done, use the selective tool to target exposure or color shifts, because fixing global edits later is harder. Make sure to remove big distractions first with Heal so subsequent copy-paste edits blend naturally. Now position the image where you want a clone from and plan the target area. This early planning prevents patchy results and saves time during the core editing steps. You add the source patch using double exposure and choose a blend mode that matches the target tonality. Lighten for highlights, darken for shadows. This prevents harsh seams. Once placed, align precisely with two-finger move and pinch to scale, because small misalignment ruins realism. Then adjust opacity to control how much of the copied content shows through. Finally, apply a low-radius brush with reveal/hide to feather edges. These steps create a seamless paste that looks intentional and consistent. You finish by matching color and contrast so the pasted area reads as part of the photo. Tune image and selective let you tweak brightness, warmth, and saturation locally. Once balanced, reduce structure and details slightly on the pasted patch to prevent haloing. Export a high-quality copy and keep the editable file saved. If seams or ghosting appear, undo to the double exposure step, lower opacity, and rebrush the mask. This troubleshoot tip fixes most visible mismatches without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.